Hello everyone, welcome back to my Love Analytics Financial Modeling and welcome back to my Excel learning channel. Today I'm going to teach you very interesting formula that is going to demonstrate how to sum a values which has a negative values that meet multiple criterias. So this session particularly covers that calculating the negative values, and parallelly you can learn in vice versa how to add the positive values also. Okay, let's go straight into the learning this formula. I will just come out of my camera. So uh, let me pull out my Excel. So here I think if you follow me, here I have a list of items that are expenses. We have a positives and we have a reversal as well, where we had a income and where we have some expenses as well. So you had come across in an instance where you have a subtotals, but you would like to calculate only the values which have the negatives. Okay, so let's go into directly the formula. It's a just simple sum formula only, but by just adding one syntax called the greater than or less than criteria. So here is the formula sum. So you need to just type sum, then what are the number that you're trying to see, total sum, comma, what we're trying to do is how to sum multiple greater than or less than any criteria that you wanted to. So in this case we have a two values which are the negatives. Okay, so 800 and $800 and $120, which will be $920. But I have selected all three of them, but I wanted to sum up only these two criteria. How do we do? So the formula will be semicolon, since you are giving a condition of the if, and then sum if, give the condition as sum if, and then within the semicolon less than 0. What we are trying to see, anything that is become below 0, which will be considered as a negative value, right? So let's close the bracket. Sum, select that list of the values that you wanted to select, and then from this we wanted to trying to identify less than value. I have given is the greater than, now it's a less than 0. Anything that is less than 0, by default we call it as a negative. Enter. There you go, the answer is 920. The answer is 920. Okay, now in the same way you have other values also you wanted to calculate. How to, now in this case we need to use the multiple. So same sum if formula, what you have to do is plus again sum if, select the item that you wanted to calculate. In this case we have two items, one is negative and one is positive. I wanted system to be my Excel to be calculate sum only the 870. Again give the semicolon, sum if semicolon and the less than 0, right? Then we can go one more level also. Sum if, select the value and less than 0, enter. So that the answer that you see it here is $1,910. How it is coming is a very easy. We have a subtotals. So without disturbing the subtotals, we just wanted to pick the values that are negative values with under the each line item, then enter 191. So we can quickly do a cross check how many values that are the negative. 1800, 120 and 870, 120, total 1910, which you can see that's what our answer. Hope you enjoy learning this one. Keep subscribing my channel. Thank you very much.